Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. It is Tuesday, it's Debt Binder Day. And yeah, this is my last chance for April to get some of these things finished. Well, this one I won't get finished, but this will be incorporated into today's video. I absolutely love that. Sorry, guys. And then, so this is our debt binder. And we finished the Heroic Humans of the Frugal Forest last week, which was bananas. So I am putting all of this money into this and the 2025 book I got from Danny at Crapco Budgets. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have $120 to make this happen. All right. So to get us started, I think I will do one of these little scratch offs. Now I watched Jenny from Simply Living Saves do one a couple weeks ago, and she got like a 10, and she was like, oh my gosh. So I have no idea what to expect. But this is from the traditional dollar, so I'm hoping she's a little nice to me. Oh. Well, it's a 10, and she wants me to save. So, all right, TTD, it's on. I'm saving. And this, guess what? Finished challenge. And it's going in my debt binder this month, or my debt payment. So, yay. No more of those. So up next, I have I'm Not Lazy, I'm Energy Efficient. This is from Steps on a Budget, save $50. So let's see which one to do. 2. That's $4. I have 20, so let's go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 24 out of 50 in this cute challenge. This is how I hope to feel on vacation. All right, so up next I need more swear words today. This is from Laura Bell Laura Bell Creations. This will save $50. Let's see. 3. So let's go 1, 2, 3. So we know that was an 8. So I added 8. We have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to put these two 5 back for a 10. And sometimes this is a true statement. Hi, buddy. You okay, Coco? I'm almost done. Okay, so this one is Please Be Patient With Me. I'm from the 1900s. This is from Boy Mom Loves to Save. And I'm just going to do this one up here. So we have $6, so I'm going to add 6, and we have 55, 61, and 2 out of the 75. All right, up next from Cash Countess Court, and I'm not sure if she has this available anymore, but this was one of her roll and saves on Etsy, so I'm going to get some ones over here for a 5. Okay, let's do a D3. So we got 2, 2, and 1 more, and 1. So we will put $5 in here, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put these two 5s back for a 10. Soon I'm not going to have any more 10s. Okay, little one. Okay, up next from Budget with Tiffany 26. This is going to be a save $42. And I love it so much. Wait for the comma, what for the question mark, stop it for the period, and I agree for the exclamation point. It's too cute. $4. So I'm going to put 5 or 1 back and grab a 5. So we have 25, 30, 1, and 2. 32 out of 42. I really do want to finish it. I'm going to finish it. Because I was going to scratch that one, but I can never leave just one scratcher. That's not true. I have been able to leave it, but I don't think I would have been able to tonight. 6 and 4 for the 10. So I'm going to put these 2 5s back and grab a 20, and we finished one for $42. Yay, Tiffany! Yay! All right, up next from Bookish Mama Budgets. I say no worries a lot for somebody who's like 99% worry, and this was a Ko-fi member exclusive in February. So let's do. Oh, I wanted to keep going. So I have 20, 35, 36, 37 out of 50. Oh, I have another one from her. Look at how cute these are. Reading past my bedtime. This one we have saved $34. I got a 5, so this should be 5. So I'm going to put that back and grab a 10. So this one has $10 out of 34. Okay, up next from Windmill Ridge Budgets. Ugh, all discombobulated. I have this 2025 challenge. Happy New Year. I got this at the beginning of the year. It's so pretty. Love it so much. So let's see which one to scratch. One. Yep. It's always a higher number after a low number. I should know this. So we have $30 out of we don't know, but there's still 4 scratchers left. Okay, and then up next from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. I have this beautiful one, Melting Out of Reality into Wonderland. And I guess I'll use 6. Scratched a 1, then an 8. It's always an 8 next, I guess. Okay, so that would be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, we are out of 10s, so we have 2 5s and 2 1s. So $12 in here. This is some bull stuff. All right, so let's see. Let's do this one. Let's do 5 and 6. So we have 20, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, it's out of 50. Let's finish another one. Yay! We have $50 from Brandy, our beautiful budgets. This is going to go into the debt payment. All right, I'm not going to start this one. This is from the traditional dollar. I'll start that one next time. I haven't started this one, so I'm not going to start now. I'm going to only do ones. Let's see if there's any I can finish. It says 42, so it says $8 to finish. All right, let's try to finish this one. All right, so we have 20, 30, 45, 50. Just, this is amazing. This is amazing. All right, so we're not starting Lil's World. I don't think I'm going to do anything in Restoration by Autumn because I want to color the unicorn, and I don't have time to do that. And then Amy by Nature, Just a Girl Who Loves Sharks, is staying for as long as I can stand it. And Savings with Tracy, my status, currently holding it all together with a bobby pin. That is appropriate to stay. So yeah, let's just move into Danny's book and put the rest of the money in there. That's $23. That's a big one. I should probably need that for the next month because this month I have a few bigger challenges that I finished. And what if I don't have that next month? I'll save that one. All right, so let's go to Danny's 2025 and 2025. Gorgeous book. And this little scratcher coin came with it, and I just thought it was so cute, so I just left it there. All right, let's do which page to go on. Page 1. So a little goes a long way. Yes, it does. All right, let's do $2. All right. 2. So 1 and 2. You are beautiful. Yes, you are. This is save 60. Amounts are 1 through 5. So let's see which one to scratch. Let's do a D12. 6. All right, that's $2. Let's go one more time on this page. I lost track of what I was doing. Okay. All right, another $2. All right, let's go to the next page. 3. So 1, 2, 3. This is a save $125. This is your moment. Own it. And the amounts are 1 through 9. Let's see which one to scratch. 1. All right, I got a 1 and then I went again, so I got a 5. So we're going to put $6 in here. And then let's see what page to go to next. 2. So we've got 1, 2. Oh, we did go here. Okay, this is a save 80. Oh, this is my favorite quote. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. Love that. This is 1 through 9. Okay, just want to make sure we could do it. 8. All right, I got a 1 and a 4 for $5. Yay. All right, let's do one more, I hope. So 1, 2, 3. Your patience is your power. Save $100. Oh, my patience. I'm working on that. That is probably one of my hardest things to have is patience. $4 in here, and then we have $2 to put somewhere. Okay, let's see what it says to do next. 3. So 1, 2, and 3. So that's a scratch off. I don't think we'll be able to do that. 1, 2, 3, another scratch off. That's $3. They're 1 to 3, but I have $2. So what are the chances? Oh my gosh, with the 3s. One, 2, 3, and then that brings us back to the very beginning. Perfect. I will put my last $2 in here. So we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, $23 into this awesome book by Danny at Craftco Budgets. Save 2025 in 2025. Just put that in here. So that's it. That's all I have for my debt binder, except for we do need to figure out how much we're adding today. I'm not going to count all of it. We'll have to come back to Saturday's video to see the debt total. And the little one from Traditional Dollar. Oh my goodness. Okay. So just today in the completed challenges from today, which are those 4, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 110, 120, 130, 145, 152. Oh my goodness gracious. $152. Wow, this debt payment's going to be amazing. Okay, so I'm just going to shove all this in here. Put my completed challenges in here. So yeah, come back Saturday for when I'm doing all of my unstuffing, figuring out my debt payment and how much I'll have for my randomizer. So excited. So thank you again for being here. I hope you guys have a fantastic week. And until next time, take care. Bye.